Hey guys, I'm doing a survey. Do you want to take more listings? Raise your hands. I think every real estate agent would say, yes, I want to be a listing agent. I want to take more listings and work with fewer buyers for so many reasons. So, what is it that you need to do to have certainty that you can walk into your office every day without any leads and end the day with a listing? Number one, for you to take a listing, you have to set an appointment. You have to set a listing appointment so you could go out and list a home. For you to set an appointment, you have to find somebody that wants to sell and you have to talk to them. So where do you have the highest probability of finding somebody who wants to sell? There are probably a million different things you can do in real estate to get leads. But let's face it, all leads are not created equally. What good is it to have a lead that's gonna sell their property a year from now? You want a listing today, not a year from now, 6 months from now, or not even a month from now. You want a listing today. Who can you talk to? What do you need to do? Where do you need to go to find someone who wants to sell today? So you could speak with them and then set an appointment and go out and take this listing. You know what? I challenge you to come up with any better leads than for sale by owners and expired listings. I remember when I started selling real estate and it just dawned on me because I was making massive amounts of just listed and just sold calls, calling around the neighborhood, just random people, which I did for 2 years and I found business that way. And then it dawned on me one day, well, I'm talking to random people. I'm just calling one house after the other. Do they want to sell? I have no clue. Sometimes I had to talk to hundreds of people to find somebody who wanted to sell. If I just call an expired listing, they were selling up until yesterday, chances are they still want to sell. Even though they may say they don't, they still want to sell. Ooh, there's someone who wants to sell. For sale by owners, not only do they want to sell, they are selling. They just don't have a real estate agent yet. Listen, help yourself, okay? Quit talking about wanting more listings and doing nothing to actually find them. You're halfway there by talking to someone that you know wants to sell. The rest of it is just going to depend on your ability to have a conversation with them, meaning your skills to be able to have a conversation with them that would make sense. And they would say, yes, I want to meet with you and I want to list with you and not anybody else that's calling. Hey, listen, when you call expired listings and for sale by owners, you're going to notice very quickly that they're getting a lot of calls from real estate agents. And guess why so many agents are calling? Because they know that this is like the best source of a listing. Where else are you gonna go where you can find someone who wants to sell and take a listing same day? That's the way to go. So the first step, yes, is actually making a decision to make these calls or go door knock, whatever you do. Because yes, you can work on your skills, you could learn the script, you could learn what to say, but if you're not talking to them, it's useless. You're not going to set appointments just because you're learning a script. You actually have to talk to people, and you learn by practicing every day and by making these phone calls. And when you make enough phone calls, even if you're not that great at what you're saying, chances are you're going to set some appointments and you're going to go out and start taking listings. So get started today. Don't wait another day. There are plenty of FSBOs and expireds out there. It doesn't matter what's happening with the market. You might have more of one, less of the other, but they're always out there. And they're immediate listings for you. Go find them.